So tell me a little bit about the design phase, actually designing the cabinets and choosing the materials. Was that exciting for you, or is it nerve-wracking for you?
Oh, no, not nerve-wracking at all. I enjoyed it. I love that kind of thing. I kind of thrive on that. Yeah. I love, creating. So yeah, the cabinet guys and your interior designer, Lindsay, came out with Jeffrey, and we went through probably 3 hours or 4 hours here in the kitchen, just talking through everything and what did I want, what did I would ask them, what can I get here? Will this fit if I'm ever in a wheelchair? Those kind of things were important. I'm getting up there in age and it's not something that's unrealistic for me. Also, didn't want anything that was going to be outdated in a year.
Yeah, and I could tell by that when I walked in and saw this and saw the pictures, the finishes you chose, very classic look, stuff that's gonna age really well.